Hi, my name is Ashwini Kumar and welcome to my channel. So before going into the main content of the video, here one announcement to the NTA UGC NET exam aspirants, and if you are not belonging to this category, then you may skip this announcement. So the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, then the free live classes are providing in the Unacademy platform. So the candidates who belongs to these subjects, the commerce, computer science, education, history, English, Hindi, geography, economics, labor welfare, psychology, home science, environmental science, electronic science, philosophy, public administration, law, management, political science, and sociology. And including this one, the general paper, that is teaching and research aptitude. So the candidates who belongs to these subjects, you are going to get the free live classes in the Unacademy platform. So to avail this one, you have to install the Unacademy learning app that I am providing the link in the description box of this video. And also along with that link, I am providing my WhatsApp number in the description box of this video and the subscription also. So here the free classes and the paid classes, both these two are provided by the Unacademy. So the free classes you can able to access freely, provided by the educator regarding to particular subject. And if you want to take the plus course, the plus course means the complete syllabus of your subject is going to be covered clearly with live classes, and your doubts will be cleared in the doubt clarifying session. And here these are the different subscription plans are provided for the plus classes: 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, and the 24 months. So out of these plans, you may take any one of the plan based upon your requirement. And if you are using this code Ashwini K, then you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. And now while coming to the present content of the video, here in the Still Outlook website, here one article was published regarding the Punjab University announces the PhD entrance test 2020. The total 622 seats are there for the PhD and 150 seats are there for the MPhil. So coming to the body of this one, the Punjab University Chandigarh has announced the PhD and MPhil admissions, and the entrance test is on 7th November 2020. And the Punjab University Chandigarh will hold an entrance test for enrollment to MPhil and PhD in the faculties of Arts, Business, Management and Commerce, Design and Fine Arts, Education, Engineering, Languages, Law, Pharmaceutical Sciences, and Science. So coming to the total number of seats here, the total number of PhD seats are 622, and while the total number of MPhil seats are 150. And coming to the partitions in the PhD, in the Faculty of Arts 88, and the Science, coming to the Science 151, and in the Languages 57, and in the Education 7, and coming to the Faculty of Business Management and Commerce 34, Faculty of Design and Fine Arts 5, and Engineering 255 seats, and Law 24 seats. So coming to the key dates, last date for submission of information on the website to generate the bank chalana 16th October 2020, and the last date for deposit of fee in any branch of State Bank of India using website generated chalana is 19th-10-2020 up to 4 p.m. and the last date for uploading of photograph signature with rest of the information on the website is 22nd-10-2020, and the application fee is 2,175 and 1,088 for SC, ST, PWD candidates. And coming to the eligibility conditions in brief are given here. So coming to the Faculty of Arts, Education, Languages, Science, Design and Fine Arts, Law and Engineering, any candidate who has passed the master's degree in concerned subject with score of not less than 55% and 50% for the SC, ST, PC, BC and the PWD candidates marks in aggregate, or have appeared in the final year examination of the master's degree in the subject concerned from Punjab University. So Chandigarh or from any other university shall also be eligible to appear for MPhil and PhD entrance test. And the candidates who cleared the UGC CSIR net with JRF or SLET or GATE or GPAT or JEST, so these candidates are exempted from the entrance test, and direct awardee of a fellowship for pursuing PhD and working permanent teachers of Punjab University and affiliated college also exempted from the entrance test. And coming to the number of seats are given here as per the departmental wise. So you may check down here. Okay, and it is the official website of the Punjab University. So it is online admissions link. So you can check down clearly in the Faculty of Arts, Business, Management and Commerce and all these things. Okay, So it is a complete notification PDF. Total 42 pages are there. So anyhow, I will provide this online admission link, okay, in the description box of this video. So before going into this one, you just once carefully check down all the details on the notification clearly, then start applying. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of application. And for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Thank you.